Welcome to English 1135, Introduction to Film Arts. I'm Deborah Edelman, and I'm your professor this semester. I'm going to go through a brief course walkthrough. Our class is asynchronous, meaning that I will not be meeting with you at any fixed time, and you will not be meeting with each other. So I'm going to go through a few basics about the class that will help you navigate the class on your own. You will, of course, be talking to each other often through the discussion board, which I will talk about in a moment. On the left hand here, you'll find the menu. Announcements will come to you via email as well as in Blackboard on this announcement board. Make sure you're checking your DuPage student email so that you will get announcements about anything important or relevant for class in a timely manner. The syllabus and guidelines contains the syllabus, which has all the basic course requirements, and it has guidelines for your discussion board posts. Please click on this and you will see the syllabus has all the relevant material that you need to know about the assignments. Below that, you'll find guidelines for discussion board posts. Pay careful attention to this. There are 28 discussion board forums for this class, and this is the major writing assignment for the course. So please go over these guidelines to make sure that you are meeting the standards for work in this class. You'll see information on how to contact me here. This is an important tab, the course units and assignments. So make sure to click on that, and you'll see that there are 8 units in this class. Unit 1 contains introductions, and we begin to talk about FIRST or Hollywood cinema. You'll see some material here that I'd like you to go over and read, and then notice that you'll see all of the work laid out for you through all of the 8 units, and the midterm is posted here in the chronological order in which it will be assigned. So you can go through all of these units. If you click on the title, you'll see the reading and viewing assignments. So this will tell you what to read in our film textbook and what films to view. You are responsible for getting the films on your own through a streaming service and any other way your public library may have some. The COD library may have some of these films as well. And so does Canopy, which is a streaming service available to you through the College of DuPage Library. Some of these you'll have to get on your own. Some will be available. And you'll see underneath the reading and viewing assignment for each unit that the discussion board forums will be listed. So here you're going to see your first introductory post to get familiar with the discussion board. If you have not used it, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you click here on the link that says Introductions. This is a basic introductory post. You'll click on it and you will see Create Thread. When you create the thread, you'll put your title here, not your name. Your name will come up automatically. And then you will go ahead and post. Hit submit, and you will see that you have posted. You'll also be able to respond to classmates, which you'll be instructed to do in some of these, but not all of these forums here. So just get familiar with this tab. Again, you'll have all of the work that you'll be expected to do over the course of the semester in the units. You will see here week to week some more instructions from me and some feedback from me appearing here on the first page of the units as we go through the semester, and I have issues that I need to talk to you about as they may come up. Then please look at the due dates and you will see that everything is laid out here for you to complete this course and get your work in on time. You'll see the units, the posts that correspond to those units. The units open, all of the posts in a unit open on the same day, except for the very first one. I give you a day just to play around with the discussion board and get familiar with it. but the due dates are varied, so please take note of those. And for the posts that require a response to classmates, you will see that there are 2 due dates, the post and the response. You can also see that there's an assignment due almost every day of this 8-week term. You are doing 16 weeks worth of work in 8, and so the pace is intense. Hopefully this is going to be enough to get you started. If you are confused and would like to talk to me, please make sure you get in touch and I will be available to answer individual questions. I look forward to working with you, and let's get started.